Let us try to review the conducting pattern in 3/4 time signature. So the counting again for 3/4 time signature is 1, 2, 3. Ready? So we have 1, 2, 3, down, side, up, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have here a musical score of Manang Biday. It has incomplete number of beats on first and on the last measure. Look at the first measure and the last measure. How many beats for first measure? Very good. 1.5 beats. How about the second measure? Correct. It has 3 beats. How about the last measure? Correct. 1.5 beats. But when you add up the values of the note or rest from the first and last measure, you will get the correct number of beats according to its time signature. Now, what is the given time signature? Very good. 3/4 time signature. The measure with incomplete number of beats is called broken measure. This means that the pattern does not start on accented beat, but it starts on an accented beat. So, an accented beat start with the regular beat for 3/4 time signature is downward, side, and up. But in an accented beat or broken measure, you're going to start in upbeat. So, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. You're going to start manang biday, ilukat mo man. Ready? Let's do it together. And manang biday, ilukat mo man. Okay? Another one. Up for 3. 1, 2, 3. Start with number 3. 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, let's try to practice Manang Biday.